This guide covers troubleshooting and how to rectify common problems with your machine that prevent it from drying properly. With any error type, first consult the user manual for guidance to avoid invalidating the warranty. There should be a contact number for the manufacturer within the pages. Always unplug your appliance before carrying out any work. Overloading is a common cause of your machine not drying properly or stopping mid-cycle. Firstly, ensure you aren't putting too many items into the machine at once. Overloading can also occur when the load is unbalanced or uneven, so mix up your washing to prevent too much weight from gathering on one side of the drum. Not cleaning your filter regularly can cause it to become clogged and prevent your machine from drying properly. To clean the filter, remove it from the trap and brush away any debris into the bin. Finally, clean out any lint from the trap itself using a vacuum cleaner before reinserting the filter back into the machine. The condenser tray needs to be emptied after each use. Remove the tray from the appliance and empty the contents into the sink. The water in the tray can also be recycled on plants or in a water butt. Once empty, refit the tray back into the machine. If your machine vibrates or shakes excessively, it's likely the appliance is not level. Loosen the plastic adjustment nut and alter the feet on the base of your machine to the desired height. Ensure the nut is securely refastened and use a spirit level to check the machine is sitting evenly on the floor. To avoid garments getting trapped in the door and preventing your machine from starting, it's imperative not to overload the drum. Carefully place your garments in the machine and ensure there is no overhanging fabric jammed between the cover and gasket before closing the door. For more information, please refer to your user manual or visit www.argos-support.co.uk.